What is the best authority checker, DR or DA from Moz? We're on Ahrefs. We're still on the Ahrefs train. DR. Moz. I'm not sure. Moz was just so kind of irrelevant for so long that
It's just easier to manipulate.
I haven't even paid attention. No one even talks about Moz. It's pretty wild how because Moz was such a huge thing
Yeah,
for
the key.
such a long time, and now you don't even no, people don't even say their name. It's wild. Like people will say like DA, but they just like are using it to like abbreviate for authority, right?
Mm.
Uh,
Yeah, it's true. Maybe it's kind of shifted the
like
definition of it.
I don't know a single person who uses Moz.
I
Everyone,
mean, I still use the toolbar.
I
I
don't.
still haven't switched over to. You did it, right? You went to
Yeah, I
Ahrefs?
just use the Ahrefs one
Yeah.
now. I mean, why go back when we got the Ahrefs one, right?
Creature of habit, I think.
But
I'm too lazy.
if they start charging us for like reports to use the little toolbar, then. But so
Out of here.
so right now the two most popular ways to check authority are Ahrefs and SEMrush is gaining in popularity, mainly because Ahrefs seems to really be dropping the ball as far as getting the product to where people want it to be, and now trying to like increase their prices and kind of squeeze the profits out of people. And they're throwing all this money into their stupid search engine, and it just seems like they don't care about the I don't know. It just seems like they don't care. It seems like they yeah, I don't know. They just
They've got a different plan, and it doesn't. Yeah, they care about something. I'm sure they care about their big ass company, and like they should. But at some point, they kind of stopped thinking
well,
about the people that were using
they definitely
the
don't care
little
about
guy.
any of the feedback that's coming from
No.
the overwhelming majority of like big people in the SEO industry who are being like, what's going on with this? And like they're repeated, and the way they come back at them is just very like dismissive and like condescending
Yeah.
and stuff. And I
Yeah.
mean, it's just not really how you want to interact with the big influencers in your community and stuff. So, but anyway, DR is probably still the best. As far, Ahrefs is the king of backlink data. And so DR is the king of authority measurements right now. SEMrush, I've been told, I haven't really played around with it too much. I think we have an account. I'm not even sure. The SEMrush is
We did.
supposedly has better keyword data, and yeah, they're apparently making gains on Ahrefs, and a lot of people are switching over to them because they're cheaper and they're just tired of Ahrefs kind of new price increases and just the way they're doing things. But yeah, DR, as far as I know, is the best. Um, Anything else to say on that, Nick?
No, I think that's about right.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.